Hello, Green Thumbs. Welcome back to the Sustainable Green Patch, your guide to eco-friendly gardening. Today, we're focusing on a very tasty and versatile vegetable, leeks. Let's learn how to grow these wonderful alliums using the no-dig method. No-dig gardening helps us create a healthy, productive garden without the back-breaking labor of digging. Perfect for growing leeks, which thrive in nutrient-rich, well-drained soil. Leeks are ideal for no-dig gardens because they benefit from the undisturbed, fertile soil that this method provides. Start by laying down a thick layer of cardboard to suppress weeds. Spread compost on top, make it a depth of at least 6 inches. This lasagna-style layering method creates a nutrient-rich bed, perfect for growing strong, healthy leeks. Leeks can be started indoors in late winter or early spring by sowing the seeds in trays or pots filled with seed starting mix. Once they reach about 6 to 8 inches tall, they're ready to be transplanted into the garden. Plant the seedlings in small holes about 6 inches deep and 6 to 8 inches apart. Ensure the seedlings have consistent moisture and plenty of light to promote strong growth before transplanting. If possible, choose an area not shaded and water them thoroughly to give them help to establish themselves. Nutrient-rich bed, perfect for growing strong, healthy leeks. Make sure to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. And, as always, mulch around the plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Mulching helps to maintain an even soil temperature, which is essential for healthy leek growth. Leeks are ready to harvest when they reach about an inch in diameter, usually 100-120 days after planting. Use a garden fork to gently lift them from the soil. Harvesting regularly encourages continuous growth. Enjoy your homegrown leeks in soups, stews, or roasted for a sweet, mild flavor. That's how you grow leeks in a no-dig garden. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Sustainable Green Patch for more no-dig gardening tips, and leave a comment below with your favorite leek recipe. Until next time, happy gardening, and remember to grow sustainably.